Hey, how's it going? So right now I am actually just sitting here in the grass looking for an elusive four-leaf clover. I think with a little bit of persistence, we can find it. My loneliness is killing me. I just figured a four-leaf clover would be awesome to use in resin, so I'm kind of determined to find it. This is what I found so far, but with patience, I have faith. So after I'm done collecting, I'm going to start my resin chores today. I have a few errands that I have to do pretty regularly. I don't usually film all the time. I figured why not switch it up? It's the middle of the week. We can throw in a little bit of a chores video. Gotta get done, so why not? Just 3. See if you guys can guess what song this is. This is the first and only song I know on the harmonica. I just picked it up. Leave a comment if you can distinguish what this very beginner song is. I don't know, sometimes this thing makes really strange noises. I can't explain it. If you can hear that over all this car noise. So in this video, I think I might be going into the forest, doing a little bit of deep dive collecting now that spring, summer, whatever this is finally here. I'm gonna see what I can find, hopefully some new fresh colors, and then we're gonna dry some stuff in silica gel. I don't know, we're probably just gonna hit on a lot of things in this video, whatever I decide to film in the next few days. I am also working on a new resin crystal video for next Friday, so tune in for that if I actually get this posted on Tuesday, which is the goal. I think I'm gonna look again tomorrow because new things sprouting every day, so. My loneliness ain't killing me no more. Full circle, full circle. So the first thing that I wanted to do was prep some of these crystals for my next resin project. I'm not exactly sure what these crystals are for. I don't exactly have that in mind yet, but whenever I am in a really good mood, I love coiling these crystals because it's really good to do when you're in a good headspace and you never know when a wave of calm is going to come along. So I was just having fun coiling some quartz while the sun was setting. A very pleasant evening. And then the next day, I decided to go for a little bike ride in the morning to collect any new flowers that might have grown over the past couple weeks that I haven't found yet. And luckily enough, I found a few lilac bushes. I only snipped off a few and then carried on my way to see what else I could find. I found a ton of trilliums. I live in Ontario and the trillium is our provincial flower and it's actually illegal to cut one, so these ones I could just look at. I even stumbled across a few red trilliums, which are a little bit more rare. I didn't find a deep red one. I found some of these faded pink ones. But then I did end up finding a lot of really bright yellow weeds that I used to pick all the time that keep a really nice bright yellow, so I was really excited to find this. Broke off a few of those, and then decided to go for a little climb in the forest. I found so many huge trees that had been cut down. They were truly monstrous. The next thing I wanted to get done was a little bit of painting inside of my van. I wanted to paint the bottom side of a shelf that is right above my bed. So this is something that I look at all the time, so I wanted it to be a really nice color. At first I wanted to do like a deep blue so I could just do all these little star details. Didn't want to put too much work into it right now, so I thought this green and pink would look so amazing together. The next thing I wanted to do was dehydrate some silica gel. So I put it into 2 glass pans and put it in the oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And I keep putting it in for hour increments, stirring it each time, because every time I take it out, the top will be covered in these small blue crystals. That means that the moisture has been taken out of the crystals and they'll work again for drying out flowers. Here I'm burying lots of pink and purple flowers, mostly carnations, and I love carnations because they keep their color so nicely, and these ones are a really nice dark pink. And another daily chore that I do every single day is water my plants. So I have some English lavender, a sunflower, a couple weed plants, and a cute little succulent. And I hope it's okay that I did this video that doesn't quite have a direction, just me going through some typical things that I do all the time. A few highlighted memories from my week that I wanted to share, but it was fun to make, so thanks for watching and have a good one.